When it comes to your financial life, it's the little things in life that can pack the biggest punch. Small financial changes might seem insignificant at first, but they have the power to create waves that grow stronger over time. Imagine this: a simple habit, compounded with interest over the years, could actually help finance your retirement. It's not just about making big changes. The real magic happens with the small, consistent tweaks you make every day. We often overestimate what we can achieve quickly and underestimate the power of small, long-term actions. In a world where everyone is looking for the next quick fix or overnight success, true progress is all about those steady, purposeful steps. That's what we're going to explore today. Stick around, and let's set the stage for a future where your financial health is stronger than ever. Keep watching, because your future self is already thanking you. Number 1, monitor your spending. Let's dive right in with our first tip: monitoring your spending. This might sound basic, but trust me, it's foundational. By keeping an eye on where every dollar goes, you start to spot the leaks in your financial ship. It's not about cutting out all the fun, okay? It's about making smarter choices that add up. For instance, maybe you grab a coffee every morning on your way to work. It seems like a small expense, right? But add it up, and you might be surprised how much it totals at the end of the month. By simply tracking these expenses, you could discover that making coffee at home could save you a hefty chunk of change over a year. And here's the cool part: as you track, you naturally start making more informed decisions. You'll think twice before splurging on things that don't really matter in the long run. Plus, it's empowering to see the direct impact of your choices, which only motivates you more. So grab a budgeting app or even a good old-fashioned spreadsheet and start tracking. It's not magic, okay? It's math, and it's a game changer for your wallet. Number 2, automate your savings. How do you build wealth without even thinking about it? With automation, of course. You see, one of the best-kept financial secrets of the wealthy is that sometimes the best way to save is to make it a no-brainer, okay? Here's how it works. You set up your bank account so that a slice of your paycheck automatically goes into your savings each month. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to do anything. It just happens. And because it's out of sight, it's out of mind, which means you're less likely to spend it, whether it's saving up for a dream vacation, an emergency fund, or that down payment on a house. Automation makes your goals achievable without the daily struggle of decision-making. Easy, right? Number 3, cut down on subscription services. Let's tackle those pesky subscriptions. You know how it goes. One moment you're signing up for a free trial, and the next, you're juggling 10 different monthly charges. It's time to audit what you really use versus what's just nibbling away at your budget. But here's the thing: this isn't just about pinching pennies, okay? It's about reclaiming your financial power. Every subscription you cancel frees up funds. And what you do with that extra cash, that's where the magic happens. Instead of it disappearing into the ether of everyday spending, channel it into something that packs a punch for your financial health. Like growing your savings, investing in stocks, or chipping away at any outstanding debts. It's about making your money work for you, steering it towards securing a better future. This approach is like tidying up your financial house. Okay? We're stripping away the excess, focusing on what truly adds value to your life, just like you'd unsubscribe from emails that no longer interest you. It's about making room for financial choices that truly benefit you, setting the stage for smarter, more impactful financial decisions. Number 4, bring lunch to work. Here's a quick win that's easier than you might think. Bringing lunch to work. It's not just about dodging those pricey midday meals out. It's about taking charge of your financial diet. Think about it. When you buy lunch every day, those costs add up fast. We're talking $10 to $15 each time, which can easily total $200 to $300 a month. That's a lot of cash that could be working harder for you elsewhere. But let's dig deeper, okay? Bringing your own lunch isn't just financially savvy, it also puts you in control of your nutrition. It's a double win. You save money and you eat healthier. And every dollar you save by packing a sandwich, a salad, or last night's leftovers is a dollar you can feed into your emergency fund, contribute to your IRA, or use to pay off debt sooner. This habit is like taking a daily mini course in personal finance and self-care. Each homemade meal is a lesson in budgeting and planning, and it's a step towards a more intentional lifestyle. You're not just saving money, you're building discipline and setting a foundation for financial freedom and well-being. So grab that lunchbox and let's make your lunch work as hard as you do. Number 5, shop with a list. Heading into the store without a plan can be a recipe for overspending. That's why shopping with a list is such a game changer. This isn't just about sticking to your grocery needs, it's about asserting control over your spending habits. When you shop with a list, you're not just buying necessities, okay? You're actively resisting those clever marketing tricks designed to pull at your wallet through impulse purchases. Imagine this. Every time you stick to your list, you're not only saving money by avoiding unplanned buys, you're also training yourself to be more disciplined and purposeful with your finances. Each list item becomes a small commitment to your financial goals, whether that's saving for a big trip, preparing for unforeseen expenses, or simply increasing your savings rate. But okay, here's the kicker. This discipline spills over into other areas of your life. As you grow accustomed to planning your shopping trips, you might find yourself planning other aspects of your life with more care and precision. It's not just about what you save today, but how this habit reinforces a broader mindset of intentionality and purpose in your spending. So, next time you think about heading to the store, take a few minutes to write down exactly what you need. Consider it a strategic move in your larger financial battle plan. Your wallet and your future self will thank you for it. Ready to take your commitment to financial wellness to the next level? Check out our book, Pick Yourself for Success: How to Step Out of Your Head and Into Your Greatness. This book is designed to guide you further along your journey to financial independence and personal growth. Packed with more strategies and insights, it's the perfect companion to the actionable tips we're discussing today. There's a link in the description area so you can snag your copy now and step into your greatness. Number 6, review your insurance policies. Insurance isn't just a necessary expense, it's a crucial part of your financial safety net. But here's the thing, as your life changes, so do your insurance needs. That's why it's vital to review your policies annually. This isn't just about cost cutting, it's about ensuring that your coverage accurately reflects where you are in your life right now. Are you paying for coverage you no longer need? Could you be missing out on new discounts or better rates? Take car insurance, for instance. Maybe you're working from home more and driving less. Many insurance companies offer low mileage discounts that could significantly reduce your premiums. Or perhaps you've improved your credit score recently. This could also lower your insurance costs, as many insurers use credit scores to set premiums. By reviewing your policies regularly, you're not just potentially saving money, you're actively managing your risk. This proactive approach ensures that you're neither underinsured nor overpaying. It's about aligning your insurance with your current lifestyle and goals, effectively turning a passive expense into an active tool for financial management. Always remember, insurance should work for you. Adapting as you evolve, treat these reviews as an annual financial checkup, ensuring your coverage is healthy, fit, and serving your best interests just right. This habit not only saves money, but also instills a deeper peace of mind, knowing you're well protected against life's unpredictabilities. Number 7, just ask, it's worth a shot. Ever heard of the saying, you have not because you ask not? Well, it turns out it's pretty spot on, especially when it comes to your bills. Most companies kinda expect you to haggle a bit. They even bake a little wiggle room into their prices because they know most folks won't bother. But here's where you can get ahead. Pick up the phone and smile. Seriously, just a simple phone call asking for a better deal can work wonders. Remember, you're not demanding, you're charmingly requesting. It's like being at a dance and asking someone for a twirl. Worst they can say is no, but they might just say yes. Look everywhere. This isn't just for your big-time expenses. Sure, tackle your internet bill or your credit card interest rates, but why not see if you can get that pesky bank fee waived while you're at it? Spread that charm across all your bills and watch the savings pile up. So, what are you waiting for? Be bold. Grab that phone, flash your best smile. Yes, they can totally hear it. And start asking. Keep track of those victories, no matter how small. Over time, those little wins will snowball into a mountain of saved dough. And hey, it feels pretty great to score a better deal just by being a bit cheeky. By making negotiation a regular part of your financial routine, you're not just saving money, you're also mastering the art of the deal. It's fun, it's proactive, and believe it or not, it can be really rewarding. So go on, give it a whirl. Number 8, use public transportation. Using public transportation isn't just about saving money on gas, parking, and car maintenance, though those savings can be substantial. It's about embracing a lifestyle that allows you to step away from the stresses of daily driving. Imagine reclaiming the time you spend behind the wheel. Instead, you could be reading, relaxing, or even getting a head start on your workday. Okay, let's break it down. Switching to public transit can dramatically reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner environment, which is something we all benefit from. Plus, in many cities, public transportation systems are improving, offering more reliable and comfortable services than ever before. Financially speaking, the cost of a monthly transit pass is often far less than the combined expenses of fuel, car maintenance, insurance, and parking fees. This isn't just about cutting costs, it's about reallocating those funds towards something more rewarding. That extra money could boost your savings, pay down debt faster, or fund investments that grow over time. And let's not forget the potential health benefits. Walking to and from stations can increase your daily physical activity, which is great for your overall well-being. Adopting public transportation is a smart move for both your wallet and your lifestyle. It's a proactive choice to minimize stress, maximize efficiency, and manage your finances with long-term growth in mind. So, next time you're planning your commute, consider taking the bus or train. It could be a game changer for your daily routine and your financial health. Number 9, regular maintenance on your car. Keeping up with regular car maintenance might seem like an inconvenience or an unnecessary expense at first glance, but think of it as an investment in your vehicle's longevity and efficiency. Regular checks and servicing can prevent the kind of major breakdowns that hit your wallet hard. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, catching issues before they become expensive problems. Consider this: a simple oil change and tire rotation can vastly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Ignoring these basic maintenance tasks can lead to poorer fuel economy and even serious engine or tire damage, which can be costly to repair. By staying on top of these tasks, you're not just saving money on repairs, you're also extending the life of your car. Moreover, regular maintenance helps maintain your car's resale value. A well-maintained car can command a higher price in the market or trade-in. So every time you bring your car in for its regular checkup, you're not just spending money, you're actually preserving the value of your vehicle. Let's not forget the safety aspect, okay? Keeping your car in top shape ensures that all critical systems are functioning properly, which keeps you and others safe on the road. It's about peace of mind, knowing your vehicle won't let you down when you need it most. For instance, take Warren Buffett, who famously drove his 2006 Cadillac for nearly a decade before replacing it. He understands that regular maintenance not only extends the life of a vehicle, but also enhances its long-term value, both in terms of performance and market price. Buffett's approach underscores the importance of viewing vehicle upkeep as a critical element of financial wisdom, not just a chore. So think of regular maintenance as a routine health check for your car. It keeps it running smoothly and efficiently, saves you money in the long run, and ensures you can rely on your vehicle for years to come. Make it a part of your financial strategy to protect and maximize your automotive investment. Number 10, spend more now, save more later. Switching to energy-efficient appliances is a powerful move that benefits both your wallet and the environment. When you upgrade to appliances that consume less energy, like refrigerators, washers, dryers, and even light bulbs, you're not just cutting down on your monthly utility bills, you're also reducing your household's overall carbon footprint. Okay, here's how it works. Energy-efficient appliances use advanced technology to minimize electricity and water usage. This means they operate more economically, preserving energy while still providing the same level of performance, or even better. For example, an energy-efficient refrigerator can use up to 50% less energy than an older model, which translates into significant savings on your electric bill each month. But it's not just about immediate savings. These appliances often come with longer warranties and are built to last longer, meaning you won't need to replace them as frequently. This reduces waste and the cost associated with buying new appliances more often than necessary. Additionally, many governments offer rebates and tax incentives for purchasing energy-efficient appliances, which can help offset the initial higher purchase price. So, while the upfront cost might be higher, the combination of reduced energy bills, longer appliance lifespans, and potential incentives makes this a smart financial decision in the long run. Incorporating energy-efficient appliances into your home is a proactive step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. You're not just saving money, you're also contributing to a healthier planet by reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. It's a clear win-win situation where you can feel good about the choices you make for your home and your finances. And since you stuck with us all the way to the end, you're getting a bonus, and today's bonus is buy smarter, not more. One of the most straightforward strategies for stretching your budget is buying in bulk. This approach isn't just about spending less, it's about buying smarter. Consider the everyday essentials: household supplies, pantry staples, and personal care products. When you purchase these items in large quantities, the cost per unit drops significantly. This not only saves money, but also decreases the frequency of your shopping trips, saving you both time and fuel. The principle behind this is economies of scale. Retailers often offer significant discounts on bulk purchases, and these savings can really add up over time. For example, buying a 10-pack of toilet paper instead of individual rolls not only reduces the cost per roll, but also minimizes your trips to the store, curtailing those impulse buys that can erode your budget. However, the key to effective bulk buying is focus. It pays off when you concentrate on essentials. Stocking up on items you don't really need can lead to waste and ultimately negate your savings. Effective bulk buying involves careful planning, understanding your actual needs, and resisting the temptation to overstock non-essentials. This method offers more than just economic benefits, it's also a practical win. By purchasing wisely, you simplify your routine, cut down on waste, and allocate resources to more important aspects of your life. That's all for today. We'll catch up again soon. Until then, take care, my friend.